Before you decide to buy MyPhysicianPlan, there are a few important things you should know that could save you time, money, and frustration. It's tempting to jump straight in, but you might be missing out on key details that could make a difference in whether or not it's the right choice for you. Stick around because I'm about to break down 7 things you absolutely need to know about MyPhysicianPlan before making that commitment. First, let's talk about the value compared to competitors. MyPhysicianPlan offers a comprehensive healthcare management system, and while other platforms like HealthGrades or ZocDoc provide basic appointment scheduling, MyPhysicianPlan goes far beyond that. It's more of a complete solution that not only helps you find doctors but also manages your appointments, prescriptions, and even medical records in one place. That's a huge plus if you're tired of juggling multiple apps or systems for different healthcare needs. Next thing you'll want to know is that the interface is very user-friendly. The platform is designed with both patients and healthcare providers in mind, so it's not just intuitive for you, but also for your doctors. This makes booking appointments or accessing your records a seamless process. I've personally used the system, and navigating through it is smooth, which is a massive improvement over some competitors that can feel clunky or overly complicated. The third thing is customer support. Unlike many software companies that leave you on hold forever or send you to a generic FAQ page, MyPhysicianPlan offers dedicated support, and their team is known for being responsive. Whether you're having trouble with account setup or need help with something more specific like finding a specialist, they're pretty quick to get back to you, and I can vouch for that from personal experience. Now, let's talk about the price. MyPhysicianPlan isn't the cheapest option out there, but it's definitely competitive given the value you get. Many other healthcare management tools offer lower price points, but with those, you often find that you're sacrificing features. MyPhysicianPlan's price is justified by the all-in-one service that goes beyond appointment scheduling and integrates with your overall healthcare routine, making it worth the extra cost. The fifth thing to note is their strong focus on privacy and security. When you're dealing with personal medical information, security is absolutely critical, and MyPhysicianPlan uses robust encryption and data protection measures to keep everything safe. That's more than you can say for some free or low-budget alternatives that may not offer the same level of protection, leaving your private health data vulnerable. The sixth thing is the flexibility and customization of the plan options. MyPhysicianPlan offers different subscription tiers depending on your needs. Whether you're an individual user or a healthcare provider managing multiple patients, the software allows you to adjust the level of service so you're only paying for what you use. That's a huge advantage over some competitors that lock you into a one-size-fits-all plan, whether you need all the features or not. And lastly, the free trial is one of the best offers they have. If you're on the fence about MyPhysicianPlan, they offer a free trial that lets you experience the service firsthand. Most competitors charge upfront or have hidden fees, but this is a great opportunity to test out all the features with zero risk. You can access the free trial through the first link in the description below and try out MyPhysicianPlan for yourself. So, if you're still considering whether MyPhysicianPlan is right for you, don't hesitate to give it a try. Just click that first link below to get the best free trial offer, exclusive benefits, and experience firsthand what makes this platform stand out from the competition.